All right, so here is our circle. Let's start at the top. And we're going to stay on that dot pattern and circle back all the way around. Good. Mrs. Reagan would like you please to find your green crayon. Find your green crayon, and I want you to trace your circle with your green crayon. Remember, start at the top. And you're just going to be circling back all the way around, doing your best to stay on that dotted pattern all the way around. And you're going to come right back up to the top where you started and stop. You do not need to color that in. If you wanted to later, you could put a face on your circle. But do you see there are some letters at the bottom? These letters spell the word circle. Would you trace that for Mrs. Reagan? Let's do the C. Start at the top. You're going to go uphill a little bit, curve around, and stop. Let's do I. Start at the top, pull down, come back up, dot the spot. Let's do R. Start at the top, pull down, push up, and curve around and stop. It's got a little hook on it, doesn't it? Let's do C. Remember, C always has its mouth open. Start at the top, circle back around, and stop. Good. Let's do L. Start at the top, easy peasy, and pull straight down. And let's do E. Remember when you do lowercase e, you start on the inside, slide to the right, push up, curve around, and stop. Good. All right, go to the next page. The next shape we're going to trace is a triangle. Let's do this one together. Start at the top, slant to the left, slide to the right, and slant up to the left. Good. All right, would you please take your blue crayon, and we're going to trace that triangle. Start at the top, remember, and you're just going to slide straight down to the left. Good. Slide straight across to the right, and then you're going to slant up to the left and stop. Good job. Do you see the letters at the bottom? They spell the word triangle. Let's track it. Start at the top. Pull straight down for the T and slide across. R, pull down, push up, curve around, and stop. Let's do I. Start at the top, pull down, come back up, and don't forget to dot the spot. Good. Let's do A. Start at the top. You are going to circle back all the way around and pull straight down. Here comes N. Start at the top, pull down, push up, curve around, and pull down. Let's do G. Start at the top. Circle all the way around, pull down, and curve up. G's got a tail. Let's do L. Start at the top, easy peasy, pull straight down. And E. Start inside, slide out, curve up and around, and stop. Good. All right, go to the next page. This is a square. Good. Let's first trace it with our fingers. Start at the top, slide to the right, pull down, slide to the left, push up. Good. Would you please take your red crayon and let's trace the square with our red crayon. Start at the top. Oh, and slide across to the right. Pull straight down. Slide to the left. Push up and stop. Good. Did you notice that square has a Q in it? Let's track square. Let's do S. Right, you're going to circle back and circle forward. Let's do Q. Curve around, pull down, and curve up. Let's do U. Start at the top, pull down, curve up, and pull straight down. Here comes A. Start at the top, curve around, and pull straight down. Here's R. Start at the top, pull down, push up, curve and stop. And E, remember you start on the inside, slide out, curve up and around, and stop. Good job. All right. Let's do the rectangle. I should have saved red for rectangle, but I didn't. So let's use our, I forgot what colors we used. Did we use blue yet? We did. Let's use orange. All right. First, let's finger trace it. Start at the top, slide to the right, pull straight down, slide to the left, push straight up. Ready? Get your orange crayon and let's begin. Slide to the right, pull straight down, slide to the left, push straight up, and stop. And look down there, rectangle. Let's track it. Start at the top, pull down, push up, and curve around. E, remember, start inside, slide out, curve up, and around and stop. C, curve around, stop. T, start at the top, pull straight down, lift, come back up, and slide to the right. A, circle back all the way around, pull straight down. N, start at the top, pull down, push up, curve around, and pull down. Here comes G, circle back all the way around, pull down, don't forget his tail, and curve up. L, start at the top, pull straight down, easy peasy. E, start inside, slide out, curve around, and stop. Good. All right. Let's do the oval. Oval. Looks like an egg, doesn't it? Let's do the oval. Or some people might say it looks like a football. Let's track it with our brown crayon. Let's finger trace it first. Start at the top. We're going to circle back all the way around and stop. Good. All right, here we go. Start at the top. Circle back all the way around and back up to the top. Good job. All right, take your pencil, please. Are you being so careful to hold that pencil the right way? Pointer and thumbkin side by side. Rest on tall man and two lazy men. Just go along for the ride. You see where my fingers are on the pencil? Right where the yellow paint meets the brown wood? That's where you need to be holding that pencil. All right, let's do O. Start at the top, circle back all the way around. Let's do V. Slant to the right, push up and slant to the right. Let's do A. Circle back all the way around, pull down. And L. Start at the top and pull straight down. Awesome job. Now, if you close up your book and put it in front of you, we could take a crayon and we could draw a couple shapes and make a picture. Let's make a square. Remember, start at the top, slide to the right, pull down straight, slide to the left, and push straight up. There's our square. Let's take our green crayon and let's draw a triangle. So I'm going to start at the top, slant down. I'm going to start at the top, slant down. There's my triangle. Let's take our blue crayon and let's make a rectangle inside the square. Start at the top, slide to the right, pull straight down, slide to the right, push straight up. Hey, do you see what I'm making? I'm making a house. It's so easy. Once you learn how to make shapes, it's so easy. Let's get our orange crayon. Maybe I'll make a couple windows in my house. Slide to the right, pull down, slide to the right, push up. Slide to the right, pull down, slide to the right, push up. And then maybe I'll make a little cross inside my window. It looks like I have 4 squares inside my window. Huh, how about that? Do you know you could make a tree outside your house by drawing a rectangle? Let's see, start at the top, slide to the right, pull straight down, slide to the right, push straight up. Huh, there's the trunk to my tree. And now, if I draw a circle, start at the top, circle back all the way around, I have a tree. Huh. I could color in my tree if I wanted. And I could color my trunk. I could even take my black crayon and make a little circle in my tree so that a little squirrel has a nice little home to live in. All right, you can make all kinds of awesome things with shapes.